Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities market. The overnight soybean oil for the May month contracts dropped 0.18 to close lower at 42.36. Dalian active palm oil contracts dropped 78 points to close lower at 990 on yesterday night sessions. Malaysia crude palm oil futures rose on Wednesday following Indonesia reaffirmations of its plan to increase the palm oil export levy, though the gain were limited by the weaker production data in Malaysia. FCPO June contracts, the newly active traded month, rose 23 points to close higher at 4389. Over the charts, the actively traded FCPO contracts remain in a wide range on consolidations. This is the big consolidations box, and at the moment is trading within the middle range of the sideways consolidations. However, it is staying below the key resistance zone, which is 4430 to 25 range, stay below this range, indicating the price are still reinforcing for the downside buyers. On the hourly charts, the price formed downward channels for about a few weeks already, and latest the price is touched on the support line, which is 4345 to 408 range levels touched on the supports, and we see some technical buying. And also for the coming sessions, we also expect the technical buying to continue to coming in, and slightly the resistance will be seen at the first immediate resistance will be seen around 4420 to 4415, and if this gap is covered and without further upside momentum, we might see the selling to coming in over here. However, if the gap is covered and the resistance is break, we're likely to see the price to coming up to the important resistance area again at around 4445 to 4440, and it's likely to coming up to this level again. And also, this level serves as if it able to break above, we might see the price to coming up, continue to coming up, and likely to moving in the upward momentums. However, if this reach and fail to break above, then the price will likely to trade below this range. So for morning sessions, our call for CPO markets will be long position may be open above 4394 with the target to stay at 4419 to 4445, and stop loss to set at 4374. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4394 with the targets to set at 4366 to 4343, and a stop loss to set at 4414. So here's our view for the CPO. Next, we're turning our focus to the index markets. The overnight Dow Jones Index rose 383 points to go higher at 41964. US stocks surged on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve, as widely anticipated, left interest rate unchanged, while both the central bank and investors assessed the impact of President Donald Trump's tariff policy on the economy and inflation. Bursa Malaysia Benchmark Index on yesterday's sessions closed lower, weighed down by selling pressure in the construction and banking sector, while the healthcare stock attracted some buying interest, according to the analysts. FKLI March contract dropped 6 points to close lower at 1514. Okay, so looking at the daily charts, overall the FKLI is supported over the middle range of the very wide range of consolidations, and recently the buying ups formed on the 13th of the March see the bullish engulfing candlestick, and we likely to see the index to supported at the crucial support range, which is previous low at 1506 to 07. we're seeing the supports over here, and likely the the coming movement will be buy on retracement. And in the previous session, we see the candles, the daily candles close with a doji pattern, signaling a potential of shift in the directions after this upward uptrend movement. However, the downside likely to be limited as we see the strong supports from the recent movement. For today's sessions, the technical selling is possible. If we moving into the smaller time frame, the market's forming upward channels and at a support and is consolidating at the support line here about 1511 to 1512, and we see if the index could support it above 1512 to 1511. There's likely the sideways consolidation will continues. However, it failed to support over here, likely it will break down and then coming down to 1506 to 77 again. However, we still see this as a strong support for this for FKI contracts. So just stay cautious after potential sentiment change. For the upside, it is likely if the index coming up to the 151819 range again and breaking above 1525 is the first resistance. The crucial resistance likely to see at 1536 range. So this is likely the for the upside potentials for the upsides. So beware of any sentiment change. And as we wrap up the analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capitals, and set your appropriate stop loss. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.